Let's create SCSS media query mixins for responsive design. Create our main SCSS file with breakpoints. Define breakpoint values for responsive design. Create the corresponding above mixin. Check if breakpoint exists in our map. Get the breakpoint value from the map. Create media query with min width. Create semantic mixins for tablet and desktop. Set up base styles with dark theme. Create a responsive container using Mixins. Mobile styles for the container. Tablet styles using Tablet Up Mixin. Desktop styles using Desktop Up Mixin. Create a responsive grid using Mixins. Mobile grid displays a single column. Tablet grid displays as 2 columns. Desktop grid displays as 3 columns. Style the grid items. Remove bottom margin in grid view. Compile the SCSS to CSS. Create the HTML file for testing. Create HTML structure with responsive grid. Check the directory structure. Open browser to see responsive mixins in action. Resize the browser to see the grid respond. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.